Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the local group policy editor because this is where settings live. Press Windows plus R, type gpedit, MSC, and hit Enter. If you see an error, make sure you are using an administrator account since policies require elevated rights. Once done, note that Windows 10 Home lacks gpedit by default. You can either add the editor cautiously or edit the registry. I'll explain safe choices next. This step gets you into the console, so you can locate policies quickly. Now you navigate the tree. Choose Computer Configuration for system-wide rules or User Configuration for per-user settings, because choosing the right branch determines scope. Use the console tree or right-click and choose Filter to find a policy by name, which speeds things up when there are hundreds. When you open an item, read the explanation box to understand effects. Then select Enabled, Disabled, or Not Configured and apply. Make sure to explain intent in a changelog so you can revert safely. To finalize, apply changes with gpupdate/force or restart the PC so settings propagate. This forces the system to reevaluate policies immediately. You should then test the change using a test user account or virtual machine to confirm behavior before broad rollout. If the setting doesn't take, make sure higher-level domain policies aren't overriding local settings, verify registry keys for corresponding entries, and confirm you have proper permissions. If needed, revert and document what you tried to avoid configuration drift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.